Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making some Puerto Rican quesitos, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. So here I have some granulated sugar, I have powdered sugar, honey, some vanilla extract, puff pastry sheets, I have an egg, Philadelphia cream cheese, and some guava paste. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is come with our cream cheese. My cream cheese is cold. I don't want it room temperature because then when you go to put it in the pastry, it's just going to melt everywhere. Okay. So now I'm just going to come with a fork and I'm just going to mash it. It is going to be a little hard because it is cold. I mean, if you want it a little more room temperature, you can do it room temperature and then put it in the fridge until it gets hard. Okay, so we're just going to mash this so it can get nice and soft just like this. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so I mashed it a little bit and I'm going to come with my powdered sugar. Okay, and I'm going to come with my vanilla extract. Just like that. And then we're going to come and we're just going to mix everything well. Okay, just like this. Do it gently because you do not want the powder of the sugar just going everywhere. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I want to show you how it is mixed. Everything is well mixed together. See, this is the way it looks. So now we're going to jump to the next step. So now what I'm going to come and do is take my egg, because all we're going to use is the egg white part. Okay, we're not going to use the yellow. You can throw it out. You can use it for something else. But right now we're not going to use this at all. Okay, so now we're just going to come with a fork or a mini whisk if you have it. And we're going to whisk it until it turns like a nice fluffy white. Okay, so we'll be right back. So guys, this is the way you want it to look. I ended up using my mini whisk because the fork was not doing it. So now we're going to put this to the side and jump to the next step. Okay guys, so I just want to show you, this comes with 2 sheets. I'm only using one. If you guys want to use both, then you can just double the recipe. You see how it comes with 2? We're only going to use one today, okay? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the papers from it. You want this soft, so when you buy it, it comes in the freezer. You want to leave it down in your fridge so it can get nice and soft. Okay, so once it's like this, all you're gonna do is come with a rolling pin and you're gonna roll it up. You want to make it even on both sides, so when you cut it, it'll be even. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the way it looks. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it to 6 pieces. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, so that's the long way. Then I'm gonna go 1 and 2. Now we just created 3, 6, 9 pieces. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do is take my pieces just like this, and I'm going to put them on a plate and put it to the side so we can jump to the next step. Okay, okay guys, so now I'm going to come with my guava paste, and I'm just going to come with a sharp knife and I'm going to slice into it. Okay, this is optional. You don't have to put it if you do not want it, but I like it. I think it gives it a great flavor. Okay, see, this is the way that looks. It's very sticky. You can eat this like this with crackers. It's really good. Okay, so I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to slice it like this. So thin slices like this, okay? Now I'm going to do that for 9 pieces. Okay guys, so now we're going to come with our dough, pastry dough. And we're gonna add our queso. Can you see that? Okay, we're gonna add our queso. So what I'm gonna do is put it like sideways, like this. Okay, you could put as much as you want or as little, it's up to you. Okay, so once you have it like this, then we're gonna come with a piece of the guava and we're gonna put it right on top, just like that. Oops, just like that. Okay, then we're gonna come with our egg wash. We're gonna get a little brush or whatever you have, it doesn't matter, and we're gonna add it in the corners. This is gonna help it close properly, stick tight together. Okay, then you're gonna take one side and instead of putting it straight across, you're gonna put it sideways like this, and you're gonna tuck it in just like that. And then you're gonna come with the other side and you're gonna put it up here and you're gonna tuck it in just like that. That's exactly what you're looking for. Okay, on the next one I'm gonna put the camera a little closer just so you can see. Okay, so now we're gonna come with another piece of the dough and we're gonna come again with our cheese. And you want it a little more this way than in the middle. Okay, put enough but not too much, just like that. And then you're gonna come again the guava piece, just like that. And then we're gonna come with our egg wash, put it right in the corners so it helps it close. Then we're gonna take the corner and we're gonna pull it and tuck it just like that. See that? Then we're gonna take the other corner and we're gonna tuck it. You can always grab it as well and close it just like this. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on a plate and I'm gonna do that to all of them. Okay guys, so this is the way it looks. I made 3 of them without the guava because my husband is not a big fan of it, but I am. So these 3 have no guava. So what I'm gonna do is with the same egg white that I have, see, I'm gonna add honey to it. Okay, and we're gonna give this a nice mix and we're gonna put it right on top. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is come with the same brush and I'm gonna mix it. You want it mixed really well. And I do have my oven on 350. It's been on since I've been doing this. Heads up. And guys, if you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And if you are, I appreciate it. And don't forget to like and share it out to your friends and family. Okay. So now I'm going to come and I'm going to just wipe the top. Okay. This is going to give it like that golden color. Okay. And these are so good. If you guys try it, please, please, please let me know in the comments because I know you guys are going to love it. Okay. So once you have it, you added the egg white with the honey. You're going to come with a little bit of sugar to your liking. And you're just going to add it on top. Just like this. Okay, and this is ready to bake. So guys, this is the way it looks. This is the baking pan. 2 of them didn't fit in, but I'll put it after. So we're gonna bake this and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so I just want to show you the way my quesitos came out. Look at how good that is. So now what I'm going to do is let it cool down for like 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll be right back. Hey guys, so it's actually been 15 minutes since this been getting cooled. Look at how good it looks. Look at how golden brown it is on top. Look at the cheese, the way it melted and it blended with the guava. Listen, if you guys try this, please let me know in the comments below. Also, I will have all the ingredients and exactly what I'm using in my description. And if you guys have any questions, any recommendations, also let me know in the comments. I do respond. And like always, enjoy and have a blessed day.